to the Data Crack, where we break down the data and crack interview together. In today's video, I'm going to show you two super easy way to create a professional portfolio, whether you are going to showcase that for your data science interview, data analyst interview, or data engineer interview, or any type of an interview, or even for freelancing type of a work. Whether you have a zero designing skill or coding skill, even you can create your portfolio in a too simple way. So let's start it without any delay. So I am on my computer screen. So in order to create a portfolio in a two easy step, first of all, what we will do is that in the first step we will go to our LinkedIn profile. All right. So this is my LinkedIn profile. After that, we can just go to our profile. We just need to go our profile, and here we have the button called resources. We will click on resources and we will just save our to PDF. I will just say portfolio profile Sanjana. All right. Yeah, I've already save all the informations. After that, in the second step, I will just go to Gamma.ai. All right. In Gamma.ai, we can just say create new, and we can just click on import, and it's PDF, right? So we can just go to profile Sanjana PDF. Now we can just say open. Once it will load, we will have the option to choose the template as per requirement. We are just going to make the website, right? The reason I will click on website. After that, I will just do continue, and I can just I just want my portfolio to be in English rather than Hindi. All right, so I will just select here English, and I can just say continue. Now we have here design option. I just want my portfolio to be professional. All right, and you can just choose the template from here. And while speaking about template, I just like this template, so I will just choose this one, and we can just do generate. Yeah, that's it, and it's done. Even the button are clickable already, right? Now it's already created. All right, even the bottom, you can see that it's clickable, right? Now for this photo and all, we can just do delete photo, and we do have here option for gallery and import from image, and we can just select from here. This is just for the example. I'm just choosing, just let's say I'm choosing this image, and I can just choose this image, and I can drag image over here. All right, even you can choose other image, and at the last step you can choose this image and all according to your needs, the image you want to choose. And finally we will do here publish. All right, now once you have published your website, now you can easily share this in your resume or to anyone whom you want to show your portfolio. For example, I want to see now through this link. I can just simply go, and even my link buttons are clickable, as you can see, right? Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to DataCrack.